So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Divine Grace Corcio. I'm entrepreneur and coach of Filipino virtual assistant. So if you are new in my channel, welcome, and I am sharing videos about e-commerce or anything about how to um, earn from home by selling online or become a virtual assistant. Okay, so right now what I'm going to share to you is how to source items online where you can sell in Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and what else? Kidisen. So if you are doing online arbitrage, so I will show you where you can find cheap products that you can sell online. Okay, so let's go. So you can see here in my computer, this is Vipon. So this is like a website that you can get discounted or coupon that you can buy in Amazon. So if you are an Amazon buyer, so this is very good because I got a lot of items here that I bought in my Amazon and in very cheaper price. Okay, so let's go here. So let's check. So you can see here there are different categories here. So for example, if you want pet supplies, okay, so you can see here, uh, different pets. So, but what I'm going to tell you is you need to know where this item gonna be shipped from. So, for example, this one Petco, this is fulfilled by Amazon. This is also fulfilled by Amazon. This one also. Okay, so these are mostly fulfilled by Amazon. So this is good. So for example, let's see. Uh, okay, so let's see like a big discount. So let's try this one. Okay, so get coupon. Actually, view details first. Okay, view details. Okay, so you can see here this. If you will, get this deal, 3.99 only. So you get like 50% discount. So if you will get the coupon, copy and go to Amazon and you can see how much it is. So this is really 7.99. So you will just add to cart and apply it in the coupon box, and then you will just pay 3.99. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so let's look more like higher. So for example, this one. So this is if you get the coupon, you will just pay 11.99. So let's see. Okay, and go to Amazon. So 29.98. So imagine that you will just only pay 11.99. So you got a 60% discount. So for example, like this, if you can buy or use these coupons for yourself, but also you can use this to sell on eBay. So actually we can just copy this title and then let's see if this is available in eBay and how much they are selling this. Okay, so you can see here. You see, they're also selling this for 27.99 and this one is 48.99. Okay, so that's how you can source items that you can sell on eBay and Amazon. What else? So let's look more because sometimes there are like 70%, you know. For example, this one, Office 2019. Okay, let's see. So there's no filter. So yeah, so in actually in cell phone, there's a I use more on cell phone because there's a filter there that like you can choose how many percent or like this, so 70%. So you can filter there easily what are the price range that you can use, uh, a price range that you are looking for, and then so let's say this one. So this is 2889 and this is so for 867. So if we will check this, in on eBay, let's see if this is also selling here. Okay, so you can see here if this is the same. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so like this, but this is 6.49. Yeah, so okay, so I think this one will not work here on eBay. Yeah, so that's it. So that's how you can use, Vipon in your online arbitrage. So I hope this video helps you, to get more products to sell online. So again, if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So, and then click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I have videos about e-commerce. Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Etsy, Kidisen, Shopify, and also a virtual assistant, So I hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching, and God bless. Are you a seller looking for a virtual assistant? Email me at divinecorcio@gmail.com. Or are you the one who wants to be a virtual assistant? Email me at divine@filipinovirtualassistants.com. Thank you for watching.